Hey bro, come on in man. Hey, I heard you're looking for a job, right? Okay, go speak with the folks over there. They are looking for someone with your qualifications.
I can't remember, but it's really good. The temperature, the control is fantastic.
Oh. Hey, hi, Louis.
Daryl.
Hi, Pia.
Hi, Daryl.
Yeah. So Daryl, Pia was just telling me about her newfound passion in baking. What do you like to do during your free time?
Nothing much.
Oh, come on. I'm sure you have some hobbies.
Caught any interesting movies recently?
No.
Oh.
Okay, right. So Daryl, Pia was just telling us about her newfound passion in baking.
Yeah.
What do you like to do during your free time?
Actually, I tried baking once.
What? Really?
But the cake got so burnt that my friends thought it was an oversized brownie. It was terrible. It was terrible.
Okay.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna try it and try again until I get it right.
That's the spirit. You know, my first time at baking was a disaster as well, okay? Yeah.
So, you guys want to be the guinea pigs for my next butter cake experiment?
Guinea pig.
Okay, let me check with my insurance agent about my hospitalization plan first.
Sure.
I had the best plan. Oh, so Daryl, what are you working as?
Currently jobless. You all got lobang for me?
Not at the moment. Yeah. Hey, that's Jason and Vic. I think we should go say hi.
Yes, I think so. Yeah, let's go. Oh, so Daryl, what are you working as?
Oh, I had to stop work for a while because my mom fell sick. Yeah, but she's all good now, and I'm currently looking around for a job that I can learn and grow from.
Right, okay. Yeah, so glad to hear that she's better now.
Yeah. By the way, we are expanding our team. Yeah, so we would love to have someone like you join us. Why don't you take down my number and send me your resume and we can take a look.
Really?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Thanks for the opportunity. I would love to give it a try. And maybe send you guys my butter cake?
Okay.
Okay.